So here we are with the OnePlus 13. I'm really excited about this device. It's working really well, and we're going to be covering a lot of features here as time goes by. But today we are here to talk a case, and here we have the Poetic Guardian Magsafe case. And we're not only going to be talking about the case itself, which does require a bit of information for you, the viewers, because there is more of involved disassembly and assembly, but we're also going to be talking about accessories because this is a Magsafe case. So we have some really cool things going on here, such as a Magsafe ring, a Magsafe wallet, a Magsafe mount, and a Magsafe controller assembly with the Xbox controller there. So a lot of stuff going on here, as well as my favorite style of screen protector. So let's start with the disassembly. So this case is going to come, by the way, with two options. One is a built-in display or without a built-in display, which is why we're also going to be covering my favorite screen protector, because we will be skipping the built-in display install here, but I am going to talk about it briefly. So our first focus is going to be this portion here that comes in the packaging, and it requires a bit of disassembly. Nice thing, we have a tag that demonstrates that. So there is a little slit here on the right bottom edge of the case. We're just going to push on it here, and it's going to require a bit of effort to the point that you feel like you might break the plastic frame. That's what this is. It's a plastic frame. But once you get it going here, and I find I actually like to push the door out there just in case. Not really sure if that helps or not. But once you get it going, you can work your way around here, and you can pull out this plastic frame portion. You can just work your way around here, and there we go. So that's how it would come apart. So now that we have the frame out, this is obviously going to be a two-piece case, regardless of which faceplate you're using. These are referred to as faceplates. Again, I'm going to be using the faceplate without the built-in display protector, but you can use the faceplate with the built-in display protector. And this is also supposed to work with the fingerprint scanner. So this portion would drop onto the front of your phone first, and then you would take your whole assembly, or you could place your phone in this way too, that works as well. But you would take that whole assembly, and I would put it like this, facing down, and then you would apply the back portion and just work your way around. Now, I think it's going to be a little easier for me to do it this way because the phone's not actually in there. So we're going to just work our way around as though we have a phone in here. So your phone would sit in here just like that, and this would be the finished product. So again, we're not using the portion with the built-in display protector. I don't like them in general, just because I don't like that glossy, reflective display. So again, we're skipping the faceplate with the built-in display protector. It works fine, and it should work with the fingerprint sensor as well, but I just don't like reflective displays, which is why I went with a matte display protector. This is a soft protector, if you will. It's not like a hard shell or anything like that, but it's going to reduce the glare, and it's going to look better in bright conditions or outside. You're going to see your display a little bit easier. And that's going to be this screen protector pack here. It has quite a few screen protectors. It's got 5 of them, which is really good deal here. And then we also have some camera display protectors. Now that is another thing I wanted to point out, the camera protector here. There is no built-in camera protection for this case. You can see that it's just a hole. So you do want to have a camera protector installed if you do want that camera module protected. But that fits perfectly in here as well. And once again, you get the camera protectors and that matte display protector kit in this package. Really good value. But a highlight of this case for me is going to be this clear back. I absolutely love it. You'll see that the original equipment here is just clear. So why does mine have all these stickers here that you see? Well, I like a cyberpunk aesthetic. And I have this sticker kit that I did buy, and I did cut some of these to fit on the actual OnePlus 13 itself, and then I put the case assembly on. So everything's laid underneath. That way if the phone gets wet, the stickers won't get damaged. So this is a really nice sticker kit as well, if you're looking for a cyberpunk aesthetic. And while there is no official mount for a tether, I do have one secured here. It seems to mount fine just there if you are looking to have a tether installed. And just a quick note here, this isn't really relevant to the video, but I did install Nova Launcher on the OnePlus 13 because I couldn't get screen rotation to work with the stock launcher. It actually works when we are using Nova Launcher there. So just a small side note, but overall that OnePlus 13 software, that factory launcher there, it does work good. So this case is going to be a bit chunkier. It's not a deal breaker. It's nice to hold though. We've got grippy sides, we've got lines or grooves on each side, which is going to aid in grip. And then we're going to have our key coverage here. That works really good. No complaints there. Power button or screen on off button coverage there as well. And then we're going to have a nice cutout here for the alert slider. So that's easy to access and navigate the three options there. And it just looks kind of cool. I like the way that looks. If we can get a good view there, nice and clean. This has a modern touch. This case has a modern aesthetic, which I really like about it. Love that. What I also like about this case in regards to the display is the OnePlus 13, it does have curved edges on the sides, similar to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, but this case has a raised lip around all the edges, so it's going to protect the display as well as your screen protector if you are going to drop this phone, and that's going to reduce the risk of damaging either that screen protector or the display. Then we're going to have the ports. We're going to have really nice cutouts here at the top for the speakers or the speaker. And then we're going to have cutouts here at the bottom for the speaker, probably the mics down there too as well. But we also have a door here for the USB-C port. I think that's really nice. Keep dust, dirt out, any moisture, anything like that. But then flipping over back to the rear, again, we have that clear portion and my sticker design, my cyberpunk theme here. It's intentional because we have a Magsafe ring here. That's a huge highlight of this case. And it works pretty well with accessories, which brings us to the next portion of the video, the accessories. So anyways, I want to start with the Magsafe mount that we have here. This is really nice. You can attach this mount to a surface using 3M tape here. And then the other portion would Magsafe to your phone here. And it's nice and secure. This is also angle adjustable. So when you have it mounted on, say, a windshield or a mirror or maybe the bathroom wall, that's going to stay pretty good and you're going to get that angle adjustability. Really nice there. Now, if you're looking for something more simple for on the go, we're going to have this SyncWire Magsafe grip that just attaches to the back of the phone. Again, really secure, nice, loud attachment there. And this is going to just give you a better grip on your phone. A highlight of it is that it's also rotatable. So, you know, if you're left-handed, you can adjust it for your left hand. It's also a kickstand, so you can use it as that as well. And just a quick side note in regards to this wrist strap. I love the application here with the OnePlus 13 because the OnePlus 13 actually looks like a camera. And with that wrist strap, it just creates more of a camera aesthetic. But anyways, moving on here, we're going to have the Supcase Mag Flip Wallet. That's going to be a really nice unit here. It's going to hold cards and it's going to also function as a stand. So once again, secures to the back of the phone nicely. Very nice and secure. I did add the stickers that we mentioned earlier. And in here, we are going to have our card access. We could just push those out. We can access them. But again, this is a stand as well. So we can open just like this. and we can place our phone there too. And we can also rotate this wallet. So if we want a different orientation, we can attach like that. Again, very secure. Doesn't interfere too much with the camera module there, just slightly. But we could place our phone in a landscape orientation with this wallet. And then if you're looking for even more of a stand here, we could pull this out. And now we're mounted even higher. So I really love this wallet. It's a cool wallet. It looks really nice. But it also has that stand functionality with 3 options. So I think that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to set that right to the side. And then lastly, if you're looking to game, we have this Mechanism Magsafe controller mount for the Xbox controller. They do offer it for the PlayStation as well. And the phone's going to just drop right in place there. Again, nice secure attachment. And you can play your games on the go here. That works really well, and we've got a nice secure mounting point. You can also turn the phone a little bit just to work on getting it straight with the Xbox controller. And when you're done gaming, you can remove it quickly and easily and continue what you were doing. But yes, the Poetic Guardian MagSafe case. I think this is the case you want. It looks great. It works really well with all of the accessories, and these are the accessories I think you probably would want too if you're looking for the best loadout possible for your OnePlus 13. So anyways, that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
You